All right, folks, so today we're going to take a look at 7 real fun and creative ways to make money online. And there's some bonus ones at the end of this video too, so stay tuned for that. Also, if you're new to the channel, please hit subscribe and the notification bell to be notified of new videos. I make videos about making money online and all kinds of stuff like this. Also, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. There you'll get 2 free websites, free training, a free membership, no credit card needed to sign up or anything like that. A really large community of entrepreneurs and such for masterminding and all kinds of stuff like that. So check that out as well, and let's get into this. All right, so folks, way #1 here is 2 different websites I got doing the exact same thing, and there's links in the description for all these things I mentioned. So check that out as well in the description below. There'll be links for all this stuff. So anyways, first is Airbnb. Now we all know that there's, you can rent your house and apartments and stuff like that, but there's also experiences. If you live, pretty much anywhere that people are traveling, you could create experiences for people to do. Bike trail for here, like for example, slide jumps. I live in New York City, so there's probably a million, but depending on where you live, like look, photo shoot in Central Park, $49 per person, and you go with them, and of course they have ratings and stuff like that. So it's a really cool way to make extra money. You could just create experiences for people, and when they're coming in, not even just traveling, just people in your city where you live now. So really cool. And then another version of that is going to be Weighable.com, finding new experiences, discovering unique experiences from the local insiders. So it's another site that you can make some decent money from. For example, ethnic foods and culture neighborhood, Mexico City downtown food tour. Obviously these are by location as well. So really cool. Also, they also both have like a referral program. So if you use my links below for Airbnb, I think it's like $55 off your first thing, and for Weighable, you get $10, and I get $10 if you use my link below as well. So check that out. Okay, so next up here, folks, we have selling stock photos. You can sign up for these different sites. I'm just using iStock here for an example. There's a bunch of other sites as well, and you can just sign up for these and send them photos and then make passive income, because when people buy your photos, just set it and forget it kind of thing. They even have an iPhone app and Android app where you can use to send your photos in. It's under sell stock here. And you just go there and check out the apps, and you can get paid for photos. When you go out, take photos, wherever in the city and landscapes, different places like that, and you can make some money doing that. So pretty cool. Next up, we have teaching English. Dada.com. No, it's not .com. It's DAD. There's a link in the description. I can't. It's my eyes are bad reading that small print right now. Anyways, so there's a link in the description. This is basically, you have to be a native English speaker to do this, and this basically you're teaching people in China, teaching English to people in China on this site. There's a bunch of other places, sites like this too, but this is one that's definitely one of the top ones. So you can check this out as well, teaching English. And next up we have, if you like sports and gambling, this is Z-Code Systems. Now this is more of gambling, so you're could lose money as potentially as well, of course. But this is one of the best sites for that. Fully automated stock picks and stuff like that. And they've been around since 1999, so they're not going anywhere. They've been a legitimate site here for a long time. So if you're into sports, they got pretty much every sport on here, So that's pretty cool. Next up, we have dog walking. This is a site called wagwalking.com. And basically, if you like dogs and you could do dog sitting or dog walking. I know a guy here that lives in New York that I see him all the time. He used to live in my old building. He's always walking dogs. I see him all the time. He's been doing it for years. I don't know if he uses this site or not, but it's definitely a legitimate way to make extra money. People have lots of dogs, and they have things to do. They're busy, So pretty cool. Check this one out as well. And of course, there's an app for Google and Android, or Google and Android and Apple. And next up, folks, we have Fiverr.com. This is so many things on here that you can do. This is pretty much a freelancing site. Fiverr, it used to be like everything was $5. That's why they got the name Fiverr. But Fiverr, I should say. But anything on here, you can change the price. You know, starting 10, 15, you can charge $30, $50, pretty much whatever you want at this point. Voiceover, translations, logo designs. There's pretty much, you know, all kind of different gigs in here. Let's do a translation one. You can do searching for that if you could translate things. So if you speak multiple languages, this is awesome. If you design, you can design ebook covers. I did a video on that before. So lots of cool stuff, folks. Just anything, pretty much. Programming, tech, music. You can do voiceovers, mixing and mastering music, production, songwriting, jingles and drops, session musicians, business. So this is all really creative stuff. Obviously, the lifestyle here, relationship advice, arts and crafts. I didn't know they had relationship advice on here, but I guess they do. That's interesting. So pretty cool. Yeah, indeed. Okay, so and now on the 7th way, fun and creative way to make money online, I got, actually this is 7 different ways on Amazon I have right here. You can work for Amazon doing many things, and I have a whole blog post and another video on this, but just run over them. You can do Amazon jobs, and these you actually can work at home for. These are not just, they do have, like, you know, remote career opportunities that you can do at home or when you're traveling or whatever. Then there's Turk for delivering. There's Amazon Flex, or I'm sorry, Turk is Flex is delivering. Turk is like you doing multitasking stuff for Amazon. And these are small ways to make money. Some of them are bigger ways to make money. Merch by Amazon, very creative way. You create t-shirts and stuff like that. There's a bunch of other sites where you can create t-shirts and coffee mugs and stuff, but just I'm on the Amazon subject, so we'll just stick with that for now. Amazon Publishing, creating books. There's a whole course on this. It's really cool. I recommend. It's called K-Money Mastery. Get the links from here. And that's Amazon Associates. That's the affiliate marketing program. Fulfillment. You could be a drop shipper as well, or just sell stuff on Amazon, have people drop ship it. So there's lots and lots of creative ways, folks, and other ways to make money. And the bonus tips I'm going to show you here. This is from another blog post I have. 10 home-based business opportunities you can start with no money. These are just 10 other ones, folks. You can check them out. I'll put a link in the description for this blog post as well. There's a video for this one as well. Affiliate marketing, drop shipping, I kind of went over that. There's blogging, creating your YouTube channel, creating a social media influencer. I did the working for Amazon. That was a previous one. Create and sell your own merchandise. That kind of overlaps with the other one as well. Selling your own crafts and arts online, creating your own online courses, publishing your own books. I kind of went over some of these with an Amazon ones. But there's so many ways, folks. There's so many really cool ways to make money online today. Also, don't forget to check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. There's a whole course there where you get free membership, free let's take a look. Actually, there's free membership. You get free websites, free training. There's a whole huge community here of like-minded people that are willing to help you out. It's really crazy how much support there is there, not only from the owners of the site, but the community inside as well. Like I said, it's free, no obligation. You don't even need a credit card to sign up. You're just ready to go. And it's what I've been using for my web hosting and all my other stuff here, folks. So really cool. A really great way to learn to make money online. And that is all for now, folks. Check out all the things. If you like this video, click the like button, subscribe to the channel. I make videos like this all the time. That is all for now, folks. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.